welcome back to my channel. Today is National Hot Sauce Day, so I thought I'd do a makeup look inspired by hot sauce. If you like this look and want to see how I created it, keep on watching. I'm going to start off with my base and eyebrows already done so we can focus on the eye look. To be honest, I don't really know what I'm going to do. All I know is that it is National Chili Day. Or is it National Hot Sauce Day? No, it's National Hot Sauce Day. So I'm going to do an eye look incorporating obviously red and some chilies. I'm really excited to use the Makeup Revolutions Reloaded Newtrals 2 palette for whatever look I'm going to make today. The palette has some really nice warm reds, pinks, brownish tones. Okay, I don't know what I'm saying, but colors, red colors, which are great for this look. But yeah, a red look with some chilies on my eyes. I've been watching a lot of makeup videos recently and I've learned about the transition shade, which is basically the shade that you put all over your lid. So the smoky eye or whatever look you get looks nicely blended together. So I'm going to use this color as my transition shade all over my lid. Then to darken up my non-existent crease, I'm going to use this color to darken where I would want my crease to be. Sounds good, sounds good. Not too bad, not too bad. Okay. Now I'm going to take this burgundy shade again along my crease. I'm going to use a more defined brush. Back to the first brush that I use, I'm going to try and blend everything together so the eyeshadows blend seamlessly. I'm going to try my best. Don't know if this will work, but let's go. Now I'm going to take this shade and put it all over my lid. To add some shimmer to my eyes, I'm going to use this shade on the middle of my eyelids to give a halo effect. Using my e.l.f. Baked highlighter in Moonlight Pearls, I'm going to highlight the inner corners of my eyes. I'm also going to use it to highlight my brow bone. Moving on to eyeliner, I'm going to do a normal wing that transitions into a chili. Using the NYX white liquid liner, I'm going to line my eyes and create a wing. Wow, I look really crazy, but hopefully this works. So I've done my normal wing liner. I'm gonna try and add a chili at the end. I don't know if this will work, but either way, I'm gonna do it. Bam! Chili! To color in the chilies, I'm gonna use my Milani Amore Matte Lip Cream in the shade 22. It came out a bit too pink, so I'm going to use my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Amsterdam. To add the stems to my chilies, I'm going to use the NYX Vivid Brights Liner in the shade Vivid Envy. Using the white eyeliner, I'm going to add some highlights to the chilies. I'm going to finish off the other side, put on lashes and mascara, and I'll be back. My left side chili ended up smaller than the right side chili, but for mascara, I used my Maybelline Big Shot Waterproof Mascara, and for lashes, I used the Allure London Lengthening Lashes in the number 35. To finish off the whole look, I'm going to do a red lip and put some shimmer on the middles of my lips. For the shimmer, I'm going to use the same shimmer shade I used on my eyelids. And this is the final look. I think it turned out better than I expected. This chili ended up better than this one, but like winged liner, they're never exactly the same. I'm in love with the palette that I used today. It just has so many great shades for this look, and obviously great shades for everyday looks. I'm really excited to keep using it, so be prepared to see it in more of my future videos. I hope you enjoyed this hot sauce inspired makeup look. If you did, give it a like and subscribe. If you want to see more of my face, follow me on my social media. They're all at xBethanyChanX, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!